In the next 2 minutes, you'll learn how to detect antibiotic residues with an IDEXX dairy snap test. You'll need a milk sample, the dairy snap test, and a timer. Make sure the test is at room temperature. For convenience, remove tests from the refrigerator at the beginning of the day. Clean the workspace. The conjugate pellet should be at the bottom of the tube. If it's not, tap the tube gently. Milk sample should be refrigerated at 0 to 10 degrees centigrade. Thoroughly mix the sample before you begin. Draw up the milk to the indicator line and then add the milk to the sample tube. Shake gently to dissolve the pellet. Within 15 seconds, pour the contents into the snap device. When the activation circle is half white, half blue, press down firmly on the device. Do not let the blue circle wash away completely. After 6 minutes, compare the sample spots to the control spot. If a sample spot is lighter than the control, it's positive for the antibiotic. If a sample spot is the same color or darker than the control, it's negative. To print or transfer results to your computer, use the Snapshot DSR reader.